Hey, this is Ricky Emerson, and I'm doing a video testimonial for Nico and his Forex bot. I'll tell you, it's been nothing short of amazing up to this point. And when I first seen Nico advertising this Forex bot, and I seen some of the results that other people were getting, including himself, made me wonder a little bit, like, dang, like, is this true? I mean, I would love for it to be true, right? But since I know Nico, because we've been a part of a couple of masterminds in the past, so I know Nico as a person, and I know he wouldn't be involved in anything that's less than legit. So I decided to say, okay, Nico, let's get this thing rolling. It's been about 6 weeks now, and I tell you, I mean, it's been mind-boggling. In the last 6 weeks, I've been able to produce a little more than 36%, which is, for me, like, I've never been able to produce that kind of returns in that little bit of a time. So it's amazing. So if you're kind of on the fence saying, hey, should I do this? Should I not? I can tell you right now, definitely do this, because number one, Nico is a legit person. Like I said, I knew that because I've been, we're in similar masterminds together, and I know him as a person. But also the Forex bot is amazing. Like, I've done Forex bots before. They're a hit and a miss. None of them up until this one has done exactly what it said it was going to do for me. But for this one so far, like I said, I've had 6 weeks of data. So I can't tell you anything beyond that, but I can tell you the 6 weeks that I've been doing this, 36%. I mean, that is freaking insane. And Nico was actually sharing with me, that this bot has close to 30,000 trades, which other bots I looked at in the past, they would only have maybe a few hundred trades or something like that. So very little data to back test everything. This one here has almost 30,000 back test results, which is important if you're looking for a Forex bot, because you want to know how did it perform on historical data, so you can kind of get an idea about what it might do in the future. So I'm telling you, I'm through the moon with this. And if you're on the fence, pull the trigger. You definitely will not regret it. Join now.